Hi everyone. Today I am going to present the fifth session on drug action. Let us see the physiological action of some more important drugs. Today, the first drug is lithium carbonicum. Lithium carbonate is an inorganic compound, otherwise called carbonate of lithium, lithium carbonate. Lithium carbonate is a lithium compound which, as its name indicates, associated with carbonate to become salt. Lithium carbonate is mainly produced by extracting it from underground brine pools using precipitation, extraction of other undesired compounds, and additions of sodium carbonate. It affects the entire organism, but notably the head, eyes, urinary organs, heart, and joints. Bones, joints, muscles, whole body, sore as if beaten. Some of the main therapeutic indications are rheumatic endocarditis, angina pectoris, etc. The next drug is Mercurius sublimatus corrosivus. Mercurius sublimatus corrosivus is a virulent poison. Corrosive sublimate mercurius chloride, so called because obtained by sublimation, and because of its harsh irritating action on the body tissue. Usually, it is in the form of a heavy, transparent, crystalline substance, easily soluble and an acrid burning taste. It is also called mercuric bichloride. It is to be carefully distinguished from calomel, the mild chloride of mercury. While this agent has in the main the cardinal action of mercury, it is characterized by a corrosive and phagogenic tendency. It is particularly destructive to mucous membrane, but its influence extends to the serous membrane. It is therefore preeminently a medicine for the dysentery and peritonitis. Dysentery is accompanied by burning in the rectum and anus during stool. Some of the main therapeutic indications of Mercurius sublimatus corrosivus are syphilis, gonorrhea, nephritis, dysentery, albuminuria of pregnancy, peritonitis, nephritis, colitis, etc. The next drug is Naja. Naja is a genus of venomous elapid snake known as cobras, also known as spectacled cobra, Asian cobra, or binoculate cobra. Naja is a species of the genus Naja found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bhutan. The Indian cobra is classified under the genus Naja of the family Elapidae. Preparation of this medicine through trituration of the venom obtained from the live snake. This, like other venom, the microbial toxin possesses less toxicity when absorbed from the stomach than when introduced directly into circulation. From the moment of the bite has been indicated, the symptoms of poisoning develop, attended by conditions of extreme and increasing weakness, vomiting, hemorrhages, and decomposition of the blood. Ecchymosis and dyspnea, deglutition is much embedded as if choking. Some of the main therapeutic indications are valvular diseases of the heart, acute and chronic endocarditis, hypertrophy of the heart, myocarditis following diphtheria, sick headache, congestion and neuralgia of the left ovary, etc. Now come to the next drug, nitric acid. Nitric acid is also known as aqua fortis, and the spirit of nature is highly corrosive mineral acid, a colorless liquid prepared from nitrate of potash or nitrate of soda by distillation with sulfuric acid and water. When this agent is applied to the skin in the diluted form to produce a yellow discoloration, when stronger preparation are applied, it causes bulbous eruptions. When administered internally, the stronger preparations occasion vomiting, pain, and sloughing of the mucous membrane. Small doses act as a stimulant to the intestinal gland, but should it be continued over a long period, it will produce salivation, spongy and bleeding gums, the fullness of the breath, looseness of the teeth, dyspepsia, colic, headache, and debility. Some of the main therapeutic indications of nitric acid are fissures with proctalgia, metralgia after abortion or confinement, or uterine hemorrhage from overexertion, bleeding gums, ulceration of soft palate, ulcers bleed easily, nasal diphtheria, etc. The next drug is Naxomica. Naxomica, the striking tree, also known as Trichinus naxomica, poison nut, quaker buttons, and it is a deciduous tree native to India and Southeast Asia. It is a medium-sized tree in the family. It is a major source of the highly poisonous, intensely bitter alkaloid strychnine and brucin derived from the seed inside the tree's round green to orange fruit. The mother tincture is prepared from the dried nuts. In small doses, this agent is stomachic tonic, increasing the vascularity of the gastric mucous membrane and increasing the gastric juice as well as the biliary and pancreatic secretions. If continued over a long period, it deranges digestions. It stimulates the peristalsis of the intestine and renders them regular. The motor nerve cells of the spinal cord, cardiac ganglia, respiratory and vasomotor centers in the medulla are stimulated. The reflex excitability increases. The respirations are quickened and deepened. The action of the heart is increased and blood pressure is raised. The senses are all rendered more acute. The desire to urinate is increased. It excites uterine contractions, promote menstruation, and excite the sexual organs. Some of the main indications of Naxomica are gastralgia, jaundice, constipation, diarrhea, dysentery, incontinence of urine, lumbago, vertigo, umbilical hernia of infants, itching, blind hemorrhoids, prolapse of uteri, dysmenorrhea, etc. Now come to the next drug, Passiflora incarnata. Passiflora incarnata, commonly known as maypop, purple passion flower, tree passion flower, wild apricot, and wild passion vine. And it is a fast-growing perennial vine with climbing or trailing stems. Passion flower is native to the southeastern United States and Central and South America. Passiflora incarnata contains many alkaloids, flavonoids, as well as many organic compounds such as organic acids. The mother tincture is prepared from fresh leaves. This agent is a narcotic and antispasmodic. In large doses, it causes spasm and convulsions in animals. Some of the main therapeutic indications are insomnia, tetanus, convulsions in children, etc. The next drug is Stannum metallicum. Stannum metallic is a silver-white, lustrous, soft, very malleable and ductile metal, only slightly tenacious, easily powdered. The common name of Stannum metallicum is tin. This agent produces neurasthenia and prostration of the nervous system with neuralgia. There is a catarrhal inflammation of the bronchioles. It is antihelminthic. Some of the main therapeutic indications are neuralgic headache, chronic bronchitis, bronchuria, chronic tuberculosis, prolapse of uterus, leukorrhea, vermifuge, etc. The next drug is Stramonium. Stramonium, known by the common name thorn apple, Jimson weed, or devil's snare, and is a species of flowering plant in the nightshade family, Solanaceae. Its probable origin was in Central America. The mother tincture is prepared from the fresh herb in flower and fruit. The action of this agent is very similar to that of belladonna, except that the sympathetic nervous system is more affected by this than by belladonna. It is powerful narcotic, antispasmodic, anodyne, and in full doses, it is said to be aphrodisiac. The heart action is rendered more irregular than by belladonna, and the involuntary muscular fibers of the bronchial tubes are relaxed to a great extent. Some of the main indications of Stramonium are delirium, convulsions, typhoid fever, stammering, Parkinsonism, etc. The next drug is Symphytum. Symphytum officinae is a perennial flowering plant in the family Borgonaceae. Symphytum is known as comfrey, common comfrey, or true comfrey. It is a native of Europe, growing in damp, greasy places. It is locally frequent throughout Ireland and Britain on river banks of ditches. The mother tincture is prepared from fresh roots. This agent, through the tannic acid and starch and aspergens which are found in it, had action on affections of the bone and periosteum. The result of traumatism. Some of the therapeutic indications of symptoms symphytum are traumatism, irritable stump after operations, non-union of fractures, injury to eyeballs, periostitis due to injury. The next drug is tobacco. It is an annually grown herbaceous plant from the family Solanaceae. The plant is native of the Caribbean. The leaves of tobacco containing toxic alkaloid nicotine as a major constituent. Tobacco is commonly called tobacco. The mother tincture is prepared from recently dried leaves. This agent produces relaxation and paralysis of the involuntary muscular system. There is distress in cardiac region with the pallor of the surface, icy coldness and sweat, nausea, nervous trembling and debility. Some of the main therapeutic indications of tobacco are deathly nausea, vomiting, seasickness, diarrhea, atrophy of the optic nerve, etc. That's all about the chapter drug action. See you in the next topic. Till then, goodbye.